Ay. Yeah, Pepanzab. Yeah, Pepanzab. Nalil Pepanzab. Pepanzab. 6 o'clock on Zabatiangen. Nal Pepanzab. Tanis Glalse. Nal Pepanzab. Mamela Sigdegen. Pepanzab. Nalil Pepanzab. Pepanzab. Mani Pepanzab. Lale. Nalil Pepanzab. Pepanzab. Check his cards. Zvaid. Zvaid. 7 o'clock. Sibeka liphephandzaba. Ay 8 o'clock. Matic shield athola nga9. Naleli phephandzaba. Naleli phephandzaba. Athi nguvule leli phephandzaba. Each and every day. Sivuka siyopanda namajiti. Each and every day. Sivuka siyohasla namajiti. Mara siwina next, siyazama siyazabalasa. Bomdla abasibukile bafuna kushutha sife. Wena bongathi ngaleli phephandzaba. Wena bongathi ngaleli phephandzaba. Wena bongathi Caustic shileta nga7 nadanga 8 aliphephandzaba. Wena bongathi Caustic shileta nga7 nadanga 8 aliphephandzaba.
Aliphephandzaba imindabandaba bafethu le ndaba ngihlala umqala ngathi kule game vele yimo omdala kuzeni ke lo ngizomshaya ngempama Monday to Friday sithina sikhandisaka zolikhanda thina liyoze nganga nangendaba manika semanengi ngathi kunengcwala lo menayo usiko ngisho mina uculture I playing with this style, Pumel Pepanzaba. Shai Karakara, Shone Bushfire. Samus Toma Pants, Sinasia Pagama. Rada.
Bankjela al Pepanzaba. Batsi cool mel Pepanzaba. Mvuke ekuseni. Like that spliff up. Ngiyatshela vele lento ngivela ngifuni. Batsi like that spliff. My niggas up. Liphephandzaba bathini mnefu uthi lozuma la dzabeni mnefu sizoxoshela belungu lozuma nangilo Trump bambekile esikhundleni ondalo okuhlanya ubanjwe izolo shit this nigga crazy he be doing stuff now he be fucking putting sanctions on everybody now he be fucking being racist angiphume politics asengimtsheli lento letendeka lana 5 niggas in a chorus they be cards they waffing spliff rolling joints it's illegal I just start everybody doing that I'm hearing these niggas every crying every day other niggas puffing splits over the other niggas fucking bitches just the side don't fuck with me it's